Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice ruby red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the advanced tow package, and the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, backup camera, and your little tow hitch there. Mud flaps on the rear, and gripped running boards, mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front here, we do get a license plate bracket, block heater, recovery hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space up front, up in the back, floor mats, carpet interior. You got a nice, lifting seats with tons of storage underneath, with storage there, 2 USB-Cs, USB, and 120 volt. And of course, you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, power folding mirrors, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 37 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we got our digital speedometer, lane centering, we got my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. Taking a look to my right here, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto stop auto start, traction, tow and haul mode, dry mounts, 4-wheel drive, cup holders. We got some storage here, wireless charging, some outlets. We got your center console here as well, with like 12 volt and more storage. And looking up here, we got our basic climate controls with volume, hazards, storage below and above. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our trailer brake controls. And looking at our infotainment system, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, and Sirius XM. All your apps for your XM radio. We got our phone controls just right here as well. Connect your phone, your navigation, media, and your tow and haul mode just right here as well. You do get all your climate controls at the bottom with dual climate, heated front seats, with all your settings. You got auto hold and a nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE42469, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.